Good day everyone, my name is Martin Willie Mendoza, and for this video, we will discuss some of the procedures in cleaning hardware components. So first, we will discuss CD-ROM, DVD, and other disk drive cleaning. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disk Read-Only Memory, and DVD stands for Digital Video Disc. Why do we need to clean these drives? A dirty CD-ROM drive or other drives can cause errors when reading disks. These read errors could cause software installation and other issues while running the program. Bakit nga ba natin kailangan linisin ang disk drive? Ang maduming CD-ROM o disk drive ay maaari mag-cause ng errors when reading disk. So kapag nagkakaroon ng read error, magkakos naman ito ng software installation at iba pang issue habang ginagamit natin ang program. Procedure. To clean the CD-ROM drive, it is recommended to purchase a CD-ROM cleaner from your local retailer. Using a CD-ROM cleaner should sufficiently clean the CD-ROM laser from dust, dirt, and hair. Therefore, kailangan natin itong malinis upang maiwasan natin ang mga issue na maaari nating maranasan. Nakabubuti rin bumili ng CD-ROM cleaner sa iyong local retailer. So kapag nakakabili na tayo nito ay nararapat na malinis at matagtag ang mga dumi sa ating CD-ROM gaya na lamang ng buhok at mga gabok. In addition to cleaning the drive with a special disk designed to clean drives, you can also use a cloth damp with water to clean the tray that ejects from the drive. Make sure, however, that after the tray has been cleaned, it has to be completely dried before putting the tray back into the drive. Bukod pa rito, kailangan din nating linisin ang ating mga drive gamit ang malinis na tela na di kabasaan. Kailangan nating linisin ang tray na naka-eject sa drive, ngunit kailangan nating siguraduhin na ito'y malinis at tuyo bago ilagay ang tray sa ating drive. The next we will discuss is CD and DVD disk cleaning. Why do we need to clean this? Dirty CDs can cause read errors or total malfunction. Bakit nga ba natin kailangan linisin ang ating disk? Gaya na lamang ng ating disk drive na kailangan mapanatili nating malinis, ay gayon din dapat ang ating CD at DVD. Kung hindi natin ito malilinis, ay magkakos rin ito ng read errors at malfunction, at para maiwasan natin ito, ay kailangan natin gawin ang procedure na kabilang dito. Procedure. Cleaning CDs and DVDs should be done with a cleaning kit, but can also be done with a normal clean cotton cloth or shirt. When doing this with a clean cotton cloth or shirt, wipe against the tracks starting from the middle of the CD or DVD and wiping towards the outer side as shown in the picture below. Never wipe with the tracks, doing so may put more scratches on the disc. It is recommended to use water when clean a CD. However, if the substance on a CD cannot be removed using water, pure alcohol can also be used. Ang paglilinis ng ating CD at DVD ay ginagamitan ng cleaning kit, ngunit pwede rin naman itong linisin gamit ang malinis na tela o damit. Kapag nilinisan natin ito ay kailangan nating simulan sa gitna ng CD o DVD at hanggang sa outer side nito. Sa paglilinis ay pwede rin tayo gumamit ng tubig o alcohol, ngunit siguraduhin natin ito'y matutuyo. Isa pa sa paalala ay huwag tayong mag-wipe gamit ang tracks dahil pwede itong mag-cause ng mga gasgas sa ating disk. The next is hard drive cleaning. Why do we need to clean a hard drive? While hard drives cannot be cleaned physically, they can be cleaned with various utilities on the computer to help it run fast and more efficiently. Disk management is one of the utilities that will prevent the hard drive from slowing down. Sa part naman na to ay tatalakayin natin kung bakit importante na malinis ang ating hard drive kahit ito'y hindi nalilinis physically. Ang hard drive ay nalilinis sa pamamagitan ng mga utilities sa ating computer na makakatulong upang mas umayos ang paggana nito. Kung ang ating hard drive ay nagkakaroon na ng slow performance, ay maaaring gamitin natin ang disk management dahil nakakatulong ito para maiwasan ito. Procedure. Disk management can be accessed in the control panel. look for Administrative Tools. Then double-click on the Computer Management icon. In the System and Security window, click on the Administrative Tool. In the Administrative Tool window, double-click on the Computer Management icon. When Computer Management opens, click on this Management on the left side of the window, located under Storage. After a brief loading period, this management should now appear on the right side of the Computer Management window. So dito naman ay this management ang nag-access sa control panel. Kailangan nating hanapin ang administrative tool at i-double-click ang ating computer management icon. Sa ating system at security window, kailangan nating i-click ang administrative tool. Kapag nasa administrative tool naman na tayo, ay kailangan natin i-double-click ang computer management. Kapag nabukas na ang ating computer management, ay i-click natin ang on ng ating disk management na nasa left side ng window sa ilalim ng storage. Matapos nitong mag-loading ay lalabas naman na ang ating disk management sa right side ng ating window. And the last one is keyboard cleaning. Why do we need to clean the keyboard? The computer keyboard is often the most germ-infected item in your computer. Often, it will contain more bacteria than your toilet seat. Cleaning it can help remove any dangerous bacteria. Dirt, dust, and hair can also build up, causing the keyboard to malfunction. Ang ating computer keyboard ay kadalasang nagiging infected ng mga dumi sa ating computer, kaya kailangan natin itong linisin dahil nakakatulong ito para matanggal pa ang ibang bakterya. Ilan sa mga dumi na naririto ay dust, hair, at dirt na nagkakos ng malfunction o ang hindi paggana ng maayos ng ating keyboard. Procedure. Before cleaning the keyboard, turn off the computer or unplug the USB keyboard. That unplugging the keyboard can result in causing other computer problems, as you may press keys that cause the computer to perform an unwanted task. Many people clean the keyboard by turning it upside down and shaking. A more effective method is to use compressed air. Compressed air is pressurized air contained in a can with a very long nozzle. Aim the air between the keys and blow away all of the dust and debris that has gathered there. A vacuum cleaner can also be used, but make sure the keyboard does not have loose, pop-up keys that could possibly be drawn up by the vacuum. After the dust, dirt, and hair had been removed, spray a disinfectant on the cloth or use disinfectant cloths and rub each of the keys on the keyboard. As mentioned in our general cleaning tips, never spray any liquid onto the keyboard. Para maiwasan ito ay kailangan natin itong linisin, pero bago natin ito sagawa ay kailangan naka-turn off ang ating computer at hindi nakasaksak ang ating USB keyboard. Kapag hindi natin tinagtag ang saksak ng ating keyboard habang nililinis, ito ay maaaring mag-cause pa ito ng other problem sa iba pang parts ng ating computer. Karamihan ay nililinisan ito ng upside down at sinishake, ngunit ang mas effective na gawin ay ang compressed air. Ano nga ba ang compressed air? Ang compressed air ay pressurized air na nasa lata na may mahabang nozzle. Ito ang ginagamit para matanggal ang mga dumi na nakalagay sa ating keyboard. Pwede rin natin gamitin ang vacuum cleaner, pero kailangan natin siguraduhin na walang matatanggal na keys ng ating keyboard na maaaring sumuot sa ating vacuum. Matapos tanggalin ang mga dumi na nakalagay sa ating keyboard, ay kailangan natin gumamit ng malinis na tela na may disinfectant at ito'y ipupunas sa ating keyboard. Ngunit paalala lamang na hindi maaaring sprayan natin ng liquid ang ating keyboard dahil maaaring mag-cause pa ito ng pagkasira.